away from her father's daughter. She just wants her life for a baby.
All right, guys, I got something to tell you. No, I'm not pregnant, but Very Essential was created to reduce the worries of new moms navigating their parenting journey and looking for safe alternatives for their child's development. So today we have owner Monique McClymont, who will share some tips along with a demonstration of how we can use the products, right, to help the new moms. They're safe, chemical-free, and a whole heap of other things. Monique, welcome to Weekend Smile, lady. How you do? How did you come up with this idea? Where were you when I just gave birth 6 years ago?
Well, in the mind, abstract world.
Oh my
Thinking
God,
about it.
this is lovely.
Thank
so tell
you.
us about how it got started, why it got started. Were you a new mommy when you created this? Yeah?
Absolutely.
Okay.
I was on my health journey, and a part of, I wanted to get pregnant, and this was a little hiccup for me health-wise, and so I did a whole revamp of my life and my health, and I find that one of the areas that is often overlooked is household chemicals, and so of course everything that you eat and you put on your skin, that's great, but we also have to look at what we're putting inside our house.
Right.
And so I did a really inspection of my house and say, hey, this has to go, this has to go. But then I found that what can I replace it with, right? There was really nothing that much on the shelves here in Jamaica, and so I'm like, hey, let me just start DIYing stuff. I started DIYing stuff, and I'm like, hey, this could really be a thing,
Monique, without calling the name of brands, identify the harmful stuff for us, if you can, without calling the name of the brand.
Yeah, the bleach, of course. Ammonias, the pine salts, things like that, heavy, it's going to give you that headache if you have asthma, sinus issues, big things like that.
Right, and what are we going to be swapping them out with? Are we going to be using, because for me, I just turn to vinegar and baking soda.
That's an alternative as well. That's great. Of course, you want to take that a step up with, we do have vinegar and baking soda in some of our products, but we do have things like coconut-based soaps, surfactants actually, which is going to give you that extra, touch of nature in your product.
Okay, nice. So let's get into the products that you have here. Are there cleaning products? Is it just products to clean fruits? Is it to clean tabletops, counters?
So we have a wide range of products actually to replace all the toxic stuff that you have. So we have a disinfectant, we have an all-purpose cleaner, cleaning scrub, dish soaps, floor cleaners. A wide range of products to pretty much replace everything that you have. That's heavy in chemicals inside of your house right now.
Okay, nice. So let's start with the things that have lavender in there. And lavender smells so good.
Yes. So here we have a surface cleaner. So this you're going to use for if you have toys at home or if you're at cribs and stuff like that, you can spray, wipe, and you will get that disinfectant. So this actually started when I noticed that my daughter, she was, when she was a baby, she was crawling on the floor and she was licking the floor. And I was like, oh, wait, but what are we using to clean the floors? So I was like, okay, we need to figure something out.
She was licking the floor.
Well, babies like to explore. Right?
Yeah, they do that.
Exactly. So this is helpful for that as well as our floor cleaner, right? Initially, when we started out with 3 products, and this is one of them.
Okay.
And so I would spray this on the floor, and if you have a Swiffer mop, you would just wipe the floor with that.
Yeah. So what's in that particular cleaner that makes it really good for the environment, good for the baby, good for mommy?
It has vinegar in there, acetic acid. It has thymol in there, and thymol is one of the primary disinfectant agent actually, and it's actually the only EPA-rated natural disinfectant.
Okay, nice. So that's a floor cleaner. What else do we have in this particular line?
We have all-purpose cleaner, we have a hand soap, we have an air freshener, and a cleaning scrub.
Okay, nice. All right, so take us to this one. This one looks like on-skin type of, products.
Yeah, well,
look at this deodorant. It's called Under Your Arm.
So this guy, it was initially created because I noticed that my daughter, when she would breastfeed, she would put her hands inside in my arms and then put her hands in her mouth. And I was like, hold up, we need to change that. Because, I'm not really too sure what's really going on with the underarms here with the regular commercial cleaners, not cleaners, but deodorants.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, what can we do to replace that? Because I would feel a little bit more comfortable. At least, it's not so toxic and it's going to, cause cancer, those big words.
Right. So in addition to this particular deodorant, you also have here our wash your plate. So this one I should use to wash the dishes.
Exactly.
Wash the baby's plates as well.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Baby waters. This is one of our finest products here. I'm very proud of that. That is a premium high quality ingredients. Like I said, we have amazing plant-based ingredients in there that we are very proud of.
Yeah.
We're very proud of.
And you also have this hand wash as well. I love the consistency of this one.
So that is a
very, very nice.
concentrate actually.
Okay.
And so this is the full bottle. So this is, you would pour in here and dilute that with water. If you don't want to buy the full bottle, you just buy the concentrate.
Nice. All right. Tell us about this one. This one, it has lemongrass. So we know how lemongrass makes everything smell so good.
Yes. So it's basically the same line. It's just that this one, we have something additional in this line, which is our oxygen booster. And this is going to help you with stains. So I know Jamaicans love bleach. And so this is our great alternative to bleach, chlorine. And that's what I have here to demonstrate with you today.
All right. So, Mon, we're running out of time. So give us the demonstration that you have for us.
Yes.
Real quick.
So we have beetroot here, which I'm going to put a little stain. And then we have some of our oxygen booster here. We'll sprinkle a little oxygen booster, and I have a little bit of water.
There you go.
And so essentially, we're trying to replace the bleach, right? So we don't want to
hold this up a little bit more. There we go.
We don't want to really use bleach on the baby clothes and the nappies, right? So this is a great alternative.
And we know how stainy beetroot is.
Exactly. So you leave this here for a little bit.
And it takes it out?
Yeah, like maybe 5 minutes or so. We don't have 5 minutes here.
What?
But yeah, and it'll get right rid of it.
Which one of these products is that cleaner that you just added to the, it's this one?
That's the oxygen booster, yeah. So that is oxygenated bleach, yeah.
Okay, nice.
Well,
So you put it on there without the bleach. You put it on there, leave it on for 5 minutes, and it removes the stain.
Yes, and you can use it to pre-soak if you have lots of white and you're washing your... Right?
Yeah, and it's good for mommy as well. So if mommy eats curry and it's falling on her blouse, then she can use that. Okay, all right, this is nice. So, Mon, tell me, where can I find all of these wonderful products? Are they on any shelves anywhere?
Yeah, so we have our products in the Life Store up in Constant Spring. We have our products at Locale in New Kingston. And this weekend, actually, we're at the Jamaica Expo. So I'm there this weekend. You can stop by if people are interested to come out and support.
For sure.
Yeah.
What has motherhood been like for you?
It's been amazing. I mean, obviously, it helped me launch my company, and I'm very grateful for that. But I've learned so much, and I'm so grateful for that opportunity for my daughter and to just see this, come to life.
Okay, how old is she?
She's 3, and my company is 2.5. Yeah.
Oh, this is amazing. Congratulations,
Thank you.
mommy. High
Thank
five. Good job done. I love that for you. So she's at the Expo Jamaica, guys. If you find her, make sure that you tell her that you saw her on Weekend Smile. That's the reason why you came over to her booth. She's going to welcome you with open arms and maybe give you a demonstration as well, Mon?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Owner of Very Essential, Monique McClymont. More to come right here on Weekend Smile. Stay with us. I'm going to wash some clothes. Yeah, in the meantime, soon come back.
Trying to